Okay, I just wanted to jump on here real quick. I know some of you have seen this video once already. We had to drop the original one because 3 days after being up, we got nailed for copyright because of the music. I don't know what happened, but I went in and corrected it, and we're going to put it back out there. But we just wanted to show you our recent trip here of St. Thomas. We are at Magens Bay today, and a little overcast, but I was still able to get the drone out and fly it around for a few minutes. Came out pretty cool. Great place to go. If you've never been there, I would definitely look it up, check it out, and make sure you guys stay tuned because we got a bunch more videos of this trip coming. Thanks a lot.
You just rather watch me